From the peaks of Shillong to the plains of Garo, where the clouds come down to kiss the ground below. Seven sisters call you their little sister fair. Meghalaya, Meghalaya, magic in the air. Living root bridges older than time, waterfalls singing and Cherrapunji's rhyme. Kazi Jainti, Agaro, hearts beat as one, beneath the same sky, beneath the same sun. Oh Meghalaya, land of clouds and rain, green hills rolling, rivers running through your veins. From Marlinong to Tura, from Longstoin to Dalkey, your beauty takes my breath away. Oh Meghalaya, I'm home in you today. Morning mist on the pine hills, guitar in the breeze. Women in Jainsam dancing with ease. Stories passed along, drums of Pomblang, voices raised in song. You taught us to live with the earth, not against root and river, stone and spirit. Though the world rushes fast, you move slow, reminding us how to let the wild things grow. Oh Meghalaya, land of clouds and rain, green hills rolling, rivers running through your veins. From Marlinong to Tura, from Longstoin to Dalkey, your beauty takes my breath away. Oh Meghalaya, I'm home in you today. Karibadong Kaloum, we rise together through storm and sun, through every weather. Karikasi, Karigaro, Kari Jaintia, three hearts, one soul, one Meghalaya. Oh Meghalaya, land of clouds and rain, where every valley has a song, every hill a name. Karikasi, Karigaro, Kari Jaintia, three hearts, one soul, one Meghalaya. Oh Meghalaya, we will never let you go. Let the rain fall, let the clouds stay low. Meghalaya, my home.